Welcome to your Nature Escape Visualization Meditation. As we embark on this journey together, I invite you to find a comfortable position where you can relax, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes gently and allow yourself to settle into the moment. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and as you exhale, imagine releasing all the stress and tension you've been holding onto. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, more relaxed. Now let your breath return to its natural rhythm, and as you do, envision yourself standing at the edge of a beautiful, serene forest. The air is fresh and invigorating, filled with the scent of pine and earth. With every inhale, feel the cleanliness of the forest air purifying your body and mind, and with every exhale, release any remaining thoughts or distractions. As you take your first steps into the forest, notice the gentle rustle of leaves underfoot, the soft whisper of the trees swaying in the breeze. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in this peaceful environment, letting it soothe your senses, calm your mind, and rejuvenate your spirit. Imagine walking deeper into the forest, following a path that seems to have been laid out just for you. With each step, you feel more connected to the natural world around you. Up ahead, you see a clearing, and in the center, a crystal-clear lake, its surface smooth like glass, reflecting the sky and the trees around it. You make your way to the water's edge and sit down, taking in the tranquility of the scene before you. The water is cool and refreshing, and you decide to dip your feet in. As you do, you feel a sense of release, as if the water is washing away all your worries and stresses, leaving you feeling calm and at peace. Look around you, the vibrant greens of the trees, the bright blue of the sky, and the colorful flowers dotting the landscape. Listen to the symphony of nature, the chirping of birds, the gentle lapping of water against the shore, and the rustle of the leaves. Allow these sights and sounds to fill you with a deep sense of peace and contentment. Now take a moment to reflect on this peacefulness, letting it seep into every part of your being. Imagine this sense of calm and serenity as a light within you, glowing softly at first, then becoming brighter and more radiant with each breath. Let this light expand, filling you up from the inside until it surrounds you in a protective bubble of peace and tranquility. Whenever you're ready, take a deep breath and slowly exhale, feeling even more relaxed and at peace. Know that you can return to this place whenever you need a moment of calm or a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. As this meditation comes to a close, gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling your body reawaken. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, taking with you the sense of peace and calm you've cultivated during this meditation. Remember, this serene nature escape is always here for you, within your mind's eye, ready to offer you solace and tranquility whenever you seek it. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you carry this calmness and clarity with you throughout the rest of your day.